Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have solved some questions of chapter 8 HCF and LCM. Okay? And today we are going to continue that. And the question is, find the smallest number which when divided by 12, 15, 18, 24 and 36 leaves no remainder. So understand this question. We have to find the smallest number that is divisible by all these numbers completely. Okay? Completely means leaves no remainder. Okay? So the solution is here. What I have done here, find the LCM of all these numbers. As you can see here, we have already done this. How to find the LCM of any numbers? We have studied three methods of finding LCM, and here I have used common division method for finding the LCM of all these numbers. Okay? So here the LCM equal to the multiplication of all these numbers. As you can see here, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, and it will be equal to 360. Okay? So till now we have got the value of LCM of all these numbers. Okay? So LCM of all these numbers is 360, and this value, the value of this LCM, that is 360, and this 360 is the smallest number which is divisible by all these numbers completely, means leaves no remainder. Okay? So our answer is 360. Therefore I have written at the end, therefore the required number is 360. Okay? And the next question is, find the smallest number which on being decreased by 3 is completely divisible by 18, 36, 32 and 27. Okay? So in this question we have to find the smallest number when that will be decreased by 3, then it will be completely divisible by all these numbers 18, 36, 32 and 27. Okay? So in the solution what we have to do, we have to find the LCM of all these numbers as I have written here. I have used common division method for finding LCM of all these numbers 18, 36, 32 and 27. Okay? So the LCM will be equal to the multiplication of all these numbers, and it is equal to 864. Okay? Now after the value of LCM, what we are going to do, we are going to add this number 3 to this LCM, and it will be 864 plus 3, and it is equal to 867, and this is our required number. Okay? So our answer is 867. Because if we decrease this number 867 by 3, then the result will be 864, and this number 864 is divisible by all these numbers completely. Okay? Next question is, find the LCM of 140 and 168. use the LCM obtained to find the HCF of the given numbers. Means we have to understand this question. First we have to find out the LCM of 140 and 168, and with the value of LCM we have to find the value of HCF using the result, the same result that we have discussed in the previous class, that is HCF into LCM equal to product of two numbers. Okay. So what I have done in the solution, again I have used common division method for finding the LCM of this number 140 and this number 168. So using the common division method we have got this. Okay. So the LCM will be the multiplication of all these numbers. Here I have written the same. And after the multiplication of all these numbers, the result will be 840. So we have got the value of LCM, which is equal to 840. Now we are going to write the result here. HCF into LCM equal to product of two numbers. Okay. And here I have written HCF same, because we have to find the value of HCF, okay, into 840 in place of LCM. We have got the value of LCM, it is 840. So I have written here 840 equal to product of two numbers, the product of this 140 and this 168. Okay, the same two numbers. Now what I have done here, I have divided 840 on both the sides. Okay, here you can see, and here on the left side this 840 and this 840 will be cancelled and only HCF will be left. And on the right hand side, when we calculate this, then the answer will be 28. Okay. So the HCF equal to 28. So what we have done in this question, first we have got the value of LCM of these two numbers using common division method, and after that using the value of LCM we have got the value of HCF using this result, that is HCF into LCM equal to product of two numbers. Clear? Okay. Now it is the time for home assignment, and your home assignment is complete the exercise 8C and revision exercise. Okay? And in the next class we are going to start a new chapter. Thank you.